woodworkers. All right, YouTubes. We're gonna head out on one. It's not really a service call, but we're gonna install some door curtains on a busy door on a walk-in cooler, kind of a commercial walk-in cooler. And I'm not putting curtains on the big giant door that they use the pallet jack and the forklift on, but I am gonna put it on the side door, which is closer towards the return air of the coils, and it gets tons and tons of foot traffic. And let's get over there and we'll get into this and we'll get these door curtains going. Get her out of there and get her in the box. All right, so this is the door. It's a big walk-in box. And the door on the other side, you can get a forklift through, and this one gets a lot of traffic. So I'm gonna get these curtains in there on the inside. Two pieces. You can sandwich them together. And then the screws go through. You get yourself an 1/8 inch drill bit, and you get your plate up there, you pre-drill your holes. Then we're gonna get the screws and put the screws in, and then you slide your door curtains into here. So you get this on there, you loosen up the screws to where, and then you slide your pieces in. And I'll show you here in just a second. Just get it started, keep it loose so you can slide your pieces in. And I got my holes pre-drilled. Now I got to just tighten up all the screws now that I have them in the door. We're going to be on our way. Get the curtains in, then tighten them all up. And you're done. Door. Thanks for watching NorCal Refrigeration and HVAC. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.